You've heard of carrots for better vision, but no one ever told you this. Not your doctor, not the eye supplement ads, and definitely not the food industry. What if I told you the strongest support for your eyesight doesn't come in a pill? And it doesn't come in glasses either? It comes from tiny, forgotten seeds, seeds backed by decades of research. Seeds that can protect and even rebuild aging eyes. Today on WellthWise, we reveal the top 7 seeds for seniors who want clearer vision, sharper focus, and stronger eye health. These aren't trends. These are clinically studied, affordable, safe, and powerful. Let's begin. We start with pumpkin seeds, small, green, and loaded with zinc, a mineral your eyes crave. Why zinc? Because your retina depends on it to move vitamin A where it needs to go. Low zinc means blurry night vision, slow adjustment to darkness, and weakened clarity. A 2020 study showed seniors low in zinc struggled with night focus and had slower visual processing. Pumpkin seeds also carry vitamin E and lutein, both essential for slowing macular degeneration. Eat them raw, unsalted, or soaked overnight. Just 1 tablespoon a day can slowly restore brightness and clarity to aging eyes. Next, we have fennel seeds, more powerful than they look. These tiny seeds reduce eye inflammation, especially in seniors with blood sugar swings. Fennel boosts microcirculation behind your eyes, strengthening the vessels feeding your retina. One study found fennel lowered eye pressure in glaucoma patients and reduced retinal damage by 30% in 2 weeks. Drink fennel tea. Chew a few seeds after meals. Be consistent. Your eyes will feel less tired, less strained, and more refreshed. Seed number 5, sunflower seeds. Not the salted roasted kind, the raw natural ones. They're packed with vitamin E, your eye's shield against oxidative damage in the macula, the part responsible for sharp central vision. They also contain selenium, copper, and zinc, minerals that strengthen the lens and keep your retina healthy. A small handful daily, about 1 ounce, is enough. Blend them into smoothies, sprinkle on oatmeal, or enjoy plain. Just never cook them on high heat. It destroys the nutrients that protect your sight.
At number 4, chia seeds, the hydration and blood sugar stabilizing hero. Rich in omega-3 south that convert into DHA, the fat that builds over half your retina. Low DHA means thinning retina, weak vision, and faster degeneration. Chia also slows sugar absorption, protecting the tiny vessels behind your eyes. Soak 1 to 2 tablespoons overnight. Add to yogurt or a smoothie. Or make chia pudding. That gel-like texture. It's deep hydration for your vision.
Now we get serious. Black seed, also called nigella or black cumin. This seed contains thymoquinone, a compound proven to reduce eye pressure and support optic nerve health. A clinical study showed it lowered intraocular pressure by 24% in just 6 weeks for glaucoma patients. Black seed improves circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients directly to your retina. Take half a teaspoon of black seed oil in warm water, or chew a small amount of raw seeds. It works quietly, deeply, rebuilding the foundation of your vision.
Seed number 2, fenugreek, known in ancient medicine as the seed of longevity. Why? Because it dramatically lowers blood sugar and high glucose destroys eyes silently over time. A 2021 study showed fenugreek reduced blood sugar by 30% and reduced oxidative stress in the retina. It also contains lutein, which protects eyes from harmful blue light. Soak 1 teaspoon overnight. Drink the water on an empty stomach, or mix the seeds into soups. Just 1 teaspoon a day protects clarity, reduces irritation, and slows silent damage.
Finally, the #1 seed for senior eye health, flax seeds. These tiny brown seeds contain the highest plant source of ALA omega-3, which your body converts to DHA, a fat that builds and protects your retina. Without DHA, your retina thins, your vision fades, and macular degeneration accelerates. A major study showed seniors with high ALA intake had 40% less risk of advanced macular degeneration. Always grind flax seeds. Whole seeds pass right through the body. Add 1 tablespoon to yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal. Store in the fridge. Never heat them too high. Use them daily, and your eyes will feel the difference. You don't need 7 meals. Here's a simple vision-saving breakfast. Plain Greek yogurt or kefir, 1 TBSP ground flaxseed, 1 TSP soaked chia seeds, 1/2 TSP black seed oil, 1 TSP soaked fenugreek, pinch of fennel seeds, 1 TSP sunflower plus pumpkin seeds. Add berries for antioxidants, 1 bowl. Daily protection. If you're still watching, it means you truly care about your eyes and about your future. More than 90% of seniors lose vision each year, not because of age, but because of missing nutrients, weak circulation, and silent inflammation. Seeds may look small, but their power is enormous. Start with just 1 seed, build the habit, and watch your vision transform over time. Comment below. Which seed will you start using this week? We read every comment, and we're here to help. Subscribe to WellthWise for more science-backed senior health videos.